Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new on my channel, my name is Kshama and welcome back if you're already watching my videos for long. So in today's video, basically I'm gonna do a one brand makeup look and I'm gonna use Body Shop products. Okay, this is not the sponsored video at all, but yes, I work with Body Shop. So thought to share with you all a one brand makeup tutorial, and this is a very soft glam makeup look which you can wear in any occasion basically. So it's kind of autumn, it's giving autumn vibes and everything, and you can wear in any festive season wherever you want. So let's start with the primer. I applied the Insta Blur primer and let it sit on a face for about a minute, and then straight I'm moving on to the foundation. So every shade and what all products I have used I'll put in the description box so that you can check there. And I haven't used any color corrector today because I just want to go very natural. So you can see I have pigmentation, so just to hide that, because this foundation is a nude foundation and it doesn't give that full coverage. So for building that up, I'm using another pump, and you can see it is just giving me a natural finish. I can see my scars and pigmentation, but it is okay right, because this is a natural makeup look. So if you want, obviously you can go for a full coverage foundation here. For concealing, I'm using again a Body Shop concealer. This is the Body Shop one brand makeup, so obviously no other brand here. And what I'm doing, I'm applying concealer under my eyes, bridge of my nose, cupid bow, chin and forehead, and a little bit on the area where I have dark pigmentation and ongoing acne. All right, and now I'm just bouncing it on my skin, and you can see, actually you can feel, I guess, how easy it is to blend. You can see I'm just bouncing it and it is not being cakey or anything. Trust me guys, I want this foundation for almost 4 to 5 hours. It didn't cracked up, first thing. The second thing, it didn't make my face heavy at all okay. And this is like, I'll not say it's like very cheap or very costly. It's in a mid-range basically, and it goes, and yes, this shade is tad bit lighter on my skin, but I had only one shade, so I had to work with. But yes, I'm gonna order a shade darker for myself. Now I'm just setting my face with the Body Shop loose powder. Shades will be in the description box so you can check. I'm not baking, I'm not a baking person at all. Like, I do, but not on a frequent daily basis, okay. And then I took a big powder brush and I just brush all over my face a little. Now I took this soft pink blush and applying on my cheek first, and I'm applying on my nose as well. You can see it just giving me that sun-kissed look and just looking so nice. And initially I was like, oh, my nose is like all pink. But when I'll be done with all the makeup, sorry, makeup and everything, it will look so subtle. And this is a tip I want to give you: always keep a beauty blender handy, so that after every step, just bounce in your skin, so that everything will mix together and will not look like fake at all. Now, I didn't have any bronzer, okay. I ordered the bronzer but it didn't reach on the time. So what I did, I had this brick from Body Shop which has highlight. In this they have, like, one bronze shade there, so I'm using that as my bronzer, and as I'm looking for that glowy look, so it is going super well. And for bronzer, I use this highlighter brush, which is fan brush. What it does is, it's so precise, so it doesn't go below your jawline, sorry, that cheekbone. And by this, your face looks proper chisel, and you just get that proper shadow where it need to be, okay. And then, just to give it a bit more sharpness, I use powder underneath the bronzer. Done, like, my face is done almost. Now I'm doing eyebrows. So for eyebrows, I had a tattoo pen from Body Shop, but it is a bit darker. I ordered the wrong shade basically. So what I'm doing, I'm using a Bold as Nature new launch palette from Body Shop, and I took the black color from there. And I'm drawing, carving my eyebrows and everything. I have thick eyebrows already, so it didn't take much effort to do that. And as you can see, it's looking super natural, no overdo, nothing. And I'll do the same with other eye. Now, okay, I had no idea what kind of eye I'm gonna do. I was like, I'll do some soft eyes, but I ended up with soft yeah, it's still a soft eyes but in a halo kind of. So what I'm just going to use these 2 3 4 colors basically. Only one thing, they don't have color name here in this palette, but yeah, it's okay. So first I took a very light peachy shade as my transition shade, and you can see I'm applying, I'm focusing basically on my crease area, and I'm not going like not too sharp here, just, I'm just dragging out, I'm just feathering it outward so that I'll get, that elongated effect still, but still that softness, okay. And then I highlighted my brow bone with the light shade from the same palette, and again I'm just enhancing that color until I'll get the desired color basically. And then I took a dark color, one shade darker to this transition shade, and focusing on my crease basically, okay, so that I'll get the deep depth in my outer corner basically. And these colors are really amazing, I'll not lie. First time I used Body Shop eyeshadow, and they blend like magic. Trust me guys, this palette is I guess 15 pound if I'm not wrong. I'll check and mention in the description box. It blend amazing and no fallout. I will have something on my cheek, you will see later on, but that was by my mistake, not the fallout at all. Okay, then I took this black color, and black with the black color usually you get some fallouts and everything, but you can see no fallout here. Okay, so first I was like, I'll do some kind of I'll enhance only outer V with the black color, but I ended up by this soft halo look, and I applied a little bit of black on my inner corner also. As you can see, I'm not applying black color in my center of my lid basically, just inner corner and outer corner. And then with the transition shade, I'm just blending it so that it will not look cakey or patchy. Now I'm taking this two shimmer shade, and you can see the pigmentation I was like, wow. I'm like, it's really good palette, I can't say enough about this. Okay, so I'm just applying it on my, you can say, center of my eyes, the or ball area basically. Okay, and I'm taking it bit high so that the crease can be visible nicely when you have open eyes also. And then with the black shade, I'm just merging it, okay. And then I'm taking a lighter shimmer shade so that the look will enhance nicely. And then with a very clean brush, I'm blending the that upper part of the eyelid, yeah, you can say that. Okay, yes. Then I brushed my face, I had a fallout there, and then I'm smoking my lower lash line basically. So I'm doing the same thing which I did like on my lid basically. One trick I want to share here, I didn't use any tape or sticky things, but still I want that sharp edges, but not that sharp, soft sharp you can say. And I'm using a little bit of concealer for that, and I just brushed it, and you can see it just give you that finished look basically. Then I highlighted the inner corner with the light color, and I applied this eyeliner from Body Shop again. And now I'm applying this kohl, and it is again from Body Shop, and it is one of my favorite nowadays. It works like a magic again. And it's so smooth, it doesn't make heavy like usually when you apply kohl or kajal, it just make your waterline so heavy. It's not the case with this. And then I just smoke a little bit. It was like bit light for me, so I smoked a little more with the brown color, and I curled my lashes and using this fiber lash mascara, blue color. Yes, it I was like, blue color, I don't know how it will go, but it's amazing. And it comes with a fiber, so one coat I did, then I used the fiber from the same mascara so that I'll get some volume, because I am not a fat lash person basically. I'm like, I love, but I'm not like on a daily basis. Okay, so it just give me that volumized lashes look. And then some mistake here, not mistake actually. Unfortunately, I didn't have any light lip shade. So what I did, I tried to apply lipstick a little, because it's a very dark cherry color, and then I applied a little bit of eyeshadow to make it little bit more matte, you can say, or a little in a shade basically. And it's done. Then I use the beauty blender once again, just make sure there is no harsh line or anything. And then I took the brick again and I'm highlighting the high points of my face basically, so cheekbone, bridge of my nose and everything. And this is the finished look. I have no makeup setting spray from Body Shop, but it is okay. The makeup was super light. I didn't feel to use the setting spray, to be honest, and I can see my marks and everything a little, but yes, the makeup look is looking so natural. Do try it. And if you like this video and if you want to watch such kind of content on my channel, do let me in the comment section, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you are new. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.